Make your omelet sandwich like this next time. I'm going to start here by cutting my tomato. I'm using a fully ripe tomato. And I'm going to slice this tomato into very thin pieces. I'm going to prepare a very tasty sandwich that's super easy to make at home. Perfect for breakfast and also very nutritious and full of flavor. Now here in my skillet, I'm going to add a bit of butter. I'm going to spread it well until it's completely melted. Then I'll place the tomatoes I just sliced. This will make the sandwich even more flavorful and aromatic. If you prefer to use olive oil instead of butter, you can do that without a problem. When the butter is fully melted, we place the tomato slices in the skillet like this. I'm placing the last tomato slice here. Next, I'll turn off the heat. The butter is now well incorporated, so I'll just leave it here for a moment. And in this bowl, I'm going to add 5 fresh eggs. I'm also adding a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Now with a fork, I'm going to beat everything well until it's fully combined with the eggs. Next, I'll pour these beaten eggs over the tomatoes in the skillet. Look how beautiful that looks. It's going to form one large, complete, and very tasty omelet. I'll turn the heat back on, keep it on low, and wait for the omelet to slowly set. The omelet is already nicely set, so I'm going to place a flour tortilla on top. Now I'm going to transfer this egg omelet to the lid, flipping it carefully so it drains properly without breaking. It's a simple and quick technique to do. I place the skillet on top of the lid and flip it all at once. See how easy it really is to prepare. Next, I'm placing a slice of mozzarella cheese on top. You can also use shredded mozzarella cheese if you prefer. Other types of cheese melt well and taste great too. I've already placed the cheese on top of the omelet. Now just sprinkle a pinch of oregano on top to give that special flavor to our sandwich. I put the lid on, keep the heat on, and leave it on medium heat. That way the cheese will melt completely. The cheese has already melted really well here. To make the sandwich even tastier, I'm adding slices of ripe avocado. It brings a special flavor and creamy texture to the recipe. It's ready now. The cheese has melted perfectly. Now with a spatula, you just have to fold it like this. And look how amazing it looks, really appetizing. Then you just take it out of the skillet and bring it straight to the table. And when you taste it, you'll see how stuffed and delicious the omelet is. It's juicy, tender, and has an incredible flavor in every bite. A simple recipe that surprises in every detail.